Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Buick Verano. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and a blind spot monitoring system. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.